Hello guys, welcome to my brand new channel. I am Monika Thakkar and you are watching Rang Melange. This channel is going to be all about fashion related videos. I am a fashion designer, so please do consider subscribing to my channel. This is the very first video I am making and this video is about how to make kurti out of your old sari. I am using my mom's old organza sari. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So guys, this is the sari I am using to make my kurti. This is an old organza sari. It contains stripes all over the sari and embroidered pallu. Stripes are the only reason I have selected this sari to make my own kurti. As you can see, pallu is beautifully embroidered. But I am not using the pallu as I don't want it in this kurti. If you want and if you wish, you can use this pallu for making your yoke or your border. And this is the sketch of the design I want for my kurti. It's a simple V-neck and deep back. And this is the final look of the kurti. I have styled the kurti with Also guys, I am going to mention everything in the description box below with all the available links. So please do check it out as well.